Hi, this is Ken Lau. Yesterday I did a training for group HR, and they taught me how to calculate EPF. Well, actually, that the EPF has certain rules. The rules is to apply some ceiling functions, some round up functions. Well, what is ceiling function? Before I come back to this, so just to let you know, this is the final outcome that we can calculate. But what is ceiling? What is this 20? So let's look at that. So it's below a 5,000 salary, the EPF use this. So what is ceiling? Suppose the person's salary is this, okay, and 4123. So 4111, and you imagine that it's an apartment, and the very ground is 410. As it move up another level, it add 20. Why 20? Because here it's specified as 20. Okay, so the difference is 20. So from 4120, it moved to another level. That ceiling is 4140. And 410, you move another ceiling, just add 20 will be 4160. So if you have a value of 4111, it fits somewhere here. So this is the room space, and the ceiling is 4120. Okay, so now if you have another value, say is 4185. 4185. So where is it? 4185. So 4185 is somewhere here. No, 4185 is somewhere. 4185. 4185 is somewhere here. 4185. So what would be the ceiling? 4185. Well, you got it. It should be 420. So let's just key in the for ceiling. Click on this cell here, 20, and enter. Exactly 4,200. That is ceiling. Now, if the salary is above 5,000 in KWSP, the calculation is no longer 20. So it will be this. If it's the difference between the floor is now 100, and the formula is ceiling and 100 as the significance. So the significance means that it is difference of 100. Just right here. So you can see that here from 5,000, the next ceiling is adding 100, become 510. So 100 at 100, 5200, 5200 at 100, 5,300, and 5234 is right here. Okay, so there's somewhere here, and that's why the ceiling is 5234. Now, if I have a value of say 5454, what will it be? Where is 5454? 5454 is right here. 5454 is exceed that 5454. So the ceiling would be 550, right? Yeah, 550. So once you got the ceiling, you can go for the next step, which is to times the 13%. Okay, so you have this, you time 13%, this amount times 13%, 0.13. So you get 535.6. 535.6. But then okay, and then here you do the same. This one times 0.13, it got 669. And take a look at this. If it's fall under this, it will be 636, because these are the older version, so it's like 12%. 636. So this is the jar draw from KWSP, right? 12%. And this one is this. So now what is the round up? So you take a look at this round up. It always round up to the decimal, 0 decimal point. So it become 365. See, 365. 536. 536. So it let's say I have a value of 535.2. If you use round up and no decimal point, then it will always become 536. 536. Whether it's 535.2, 535.3, it will always 536. And if it's 535.7, also 536. Now what if I have okay, so that is round up. Now if I have 535.71, and now I put at round up, click on this here, and I put 2, guess what? Round up 531. So that's just 1. If I go for 1 decimal point, so we always point 8.71 will always go to 78. So whether this is the 71, 73, it doesn't matter. It's always go up by 1 decimal point. If it's 2 decimal point, then you have to look at the third decimal point. Zeros, so 4. Okay, if it's 1, also 4. But if it's 0, then it becomes different. Okay, so if it's 735 becomes 74, because it's 2 decimal point. Round up always round to the upper side of the 2 decimal, up to the 2 decimal point. That is round up. So combining the ceiling and the up, you can do a calculation like this. The if function check whether that the salary is it lesser than 5,000. If it's lesser than 5,000, KWC says that if it's lesser than 5,000, take the ceiling by 20. Okay, and if the salary is above 20,000, then no ceiling to take. Just directly take that. Say a director salary is like 25,000 or 30,000, then you take that amount times the EPF rate. And if it's the what I call that, if it's not not more than 20,000, but then less than 20,000 but more than 5,000, then you take the ceiling of 100. So that's what it means here. So there is the first check here. If it fulfill, then it goes here. If it doesn't fulfill, for example, this cat is not less than that, so it will go to here. They will check this. So is cat more than 20,000? No. So then it will not take this amount, but it will not take directly the salary amount, but it will get a ceiling, okay, of this. So 5,700. So based on the max, okay, and then so the EPF actually get more from what is stated in the net pay, in the gross pay. So company actually pay more. Oh no, actually this is the 13% is employee side. So actually pay slightly more. Yeah, so if it's if you originally do, it will be just this one times the 13% is 73.8. So it's about 2 ringgit plus differences. But if it's 20,000, let's say it's 20 a salary of 25,000. So you can see that there's 25,000. Really just no differences because 25,000 is above, it's more than 20,000. So there's no ceiling. So it wouldn't like go to the next one, automatically go to the next ceiling. No, because that would be a lot. Yeah. So this one contribute more EPF rate 0.13%, and you can opt for 12%. That's the differences. Okay, so if a person have 1,500, so you can see that 180 goes there, or maybe 1,528. So there's a round up, and there is also it will move to additional 20, the next ceiling for this lion. So I hope that this explained to you what is ceiling and what is round up and how it's applied into calculating the EPF rate. So you might not need to refer to the Jadwa Ketiga anymore. Just apply this formula. Thanks for watching. God bless you. God bless Asia. And I thank Jesus for giving me this talent to share.